Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create a simple interest in C to compute the interest amount of money that is being loaned by a customer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. I would like to mention Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Robelin, who are my avid supporters in my channel. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put shout out. Thank you so much. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using Dev C++ in writing this program. It is free to download in their website, bludget.net. So we have here chef includes tdio.h. It is a standard header file for input-output in C. Void main, it is a function. It is the first function that is being executed and terminated when we close our program, or our program will be ended. And then we have begin, and then I have declared series of variables here. P for principal amount, R for rate, T for time, and SI for simple interest. It will act as assignment operator in our program. Line number 6, we have here printf or print formatting new line. The title of our program was /T simple interest in C, new line. And then line number 9 up to 10, we are asking the user to give principal amount, rate of interest, in time. So here pointer P, decimal, pointer R, and T. So for solving the simple interest, we have here this equation or formula. SI stands for simple interest equals, open and close parentheses, P stands for principal, multiply R stands for rate, multiply T for time, over 100. And then line number 12, we have here new line. And then line number 13, printf the simple interest $% D. It will display the amount of interest to be paid by the customer to the company or bank. For example, new line number 15, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line again, printf \n, skip sequence n, new line, and then we close the body of our program by right curly bracket. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so the next step that we will do is to check for syntax error and run our program. We go to execute in Dev C++, compile and run. Okay, that's very fast, Simple interest in C, give principal amount, rate of interest, and time. Let's say we have 500. Interest will be 5%, and then time 1 for 1 year, 2 for 2 years. Let's say 2 years. So the simple interest will be $50 for 2 years, of a loan of $500 end of program. So every year we have $25. Another example, let's say the customer loan 5,000, and then the interest will be 10%, and then we have 5 years, So for the loan of $5,000 at the rate of 10% interest for 5 years, the simple interest for the 5 years will be $2,500 end of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and create simple interest in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.